How to easy do a soft factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy phones is very easy. All you have to do is go to settings, but it's very important that if you have a Google account on your phone with the one you're gonna download in your apps, you remember that password. Now you're gonna go to general management and go down and find the option that says reset, and here is the option factory reset. If you go in, it's gonna tell you all what it's gonna do. You're gonna eliminate, it's gonna eliminate your picture, your movie, your system ads, your account, everything's gonna go bye bye bye. This is the soft hard reset. Subscribe to the channel and then you go and click reset, and it's gonna ask you again reset. It's very important that you do after a backup. First make a backup, remember your password of your Google account, and that's all you have to do. It's very easy. It's gonna shut down, and when it's done you have your phone reset to fire from like it was in a new phone. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment if everything went okay.